Mina ngithi ayikhansele le loan uNapoli Seleng abuye ekhaya, because there's no way bafethu uNapoli Seleng is actually playing for Orbit College. Looking at it yesterday, bafethu uNapoli Seleng was drifting out wide, was drifting gijima lapha yana midfield, ungaboni ukuthi kwenzakalani. The quality that's there is not matching his standards saka uNapoli Seleng. It's not. Why Orlando Pirates ngalona nguSaleng kuba uMaZulu? Why ngalona nguSaleng kuba uStellenbosch? Maybe Sekhukhune no, because Sekhukhune vele we are currently competing naso lapha na ku top 4 just to stay on the league, with the Sati league. So we're competing ne Sekhukhune, Kaizer Chiefs, ne Mamelodi Sundowns, so we can't loan them to any of those teams. However, unamateam amaningi bafethu which have equality engamatch equality kaSaleng. Why singathathanga uSaleng somlona lapha yana sathu uSaleng somdlalisa ibhola serious? Mina ngithi ayikhansele lento leyo. Ilone ayikhansele umfana abuye January ekhaya, because there is no way Saleng is not finding his feet lapha. Uyadlala Saleng igijima. He's a quality siyazi umkhuthuzi, but no one is helping him. Uzokhula kanjani mangabe no one is helping you? No one is coming close to you. No one is working with you. However, you are being loaned to play. Hayi bafethu mina kancane. Right man. Hayi.